Hello, dear students. Now, from today, we are going to start our second chapter of SYBSc Chemistry, Chemistry of Lanthanide Element. Now, in this chapter, various things we have to study. So, let's we start. Now, in today's lecture, we will discuss introduction of lanthanide, then after position of lanthanide in periodic table, and then after occurrence of lanthanide in a nature. So, let's we start. Now, dear students, you are knowing very well. Entire periodic table is classified in a four category: S block, P block, D block, and F block. In left hand side of periodic table, first two group, alkali and alkaline earth metal, is known as S block element. Group number 12 to or 13 to 18 is known as P block. In between these two, there is a D block, and at the bottom of periodic table, there is a F block element is present. So, D block element is known as a transition element, while F block element is known as a inner transition element. When we take this F block element are considered as a inner transition element. Now, when we take this periodic table, then we can say if last electron is filled in a s orbital, then it is known as S block element. In an electronic configuration of an element, if last electron is filled in a p orbital, then it is p block element. If it is filled in a d orbital, then it is known as d block element. Similarly, if last electron is filled in f orbital, then it is known as a f block element. Now, f block elements are commonly known as a rare earth element. This F block element are known as a first inner transition element. Now, F block element, when we take F block element, there are two series of F block element. First, 4F series element. If 4F series element, it means last electron is filled in F orbital, then this element are known as a lanthanide elements. If last electron is filled in a 5F orbital, means 5F orbital is filled with a electron or incompletely filled with electron, then it is known as a actinide element. So F block element are classified in a two category. One is a lanthanide element, second is a actinide element. If last electron is filled in F orbital, for F orbital, then it is a lanthanide element. If last electron is filled in a 5F orbital, then it is a actinide element. Both lanthanide as well as actinide are known as a inner transition element. Now, next part. So, when we take this lanthanide element, they are characterized by filling of 4F energy level, which is not usually involving in a bonding or bond formation. So, how we can define this lanthanide element? Then simply I have informed the F block element in which 4F orbital, or we can say 4F shell, is incompletely filled with electron. It is known as a lanthanide elements, or they are known as a lanthanol. Or we can define in this same way the F block element containing partially filled 4F orbital are known as a lanthanide element. Now, these lanthanide elements are 14. The first element of this series is a lanthanum, atomic number 57. Lanthanum atomic number, here there is a printing mistake or typing mistake. Atomic number of lanthanum is 57. And last is lutetium 71. So 57 lanthanum to 71 lutetiums, these 14 elements, the group of these 14 elements are known as a lanthanide element. So starting from 57 lanthanum to 71 lutetiums, these elements are came in a lanthanide series, or it is known as lanthanide element. Okay, Now we go for next part. For making a notes, take a screenshot of this PPT also. So now when we take this all lengthened element, it is observed that these all elements are highly electropositive elements and they have a common oxidation state +3. So all lengthened elements are given by a common symbol Ln. Now this all lengthened element having a common oxidation state is +3. Now they resemble each other in a chemical and physical property. So resemble का meaning क्या हुआ कि they have a very much similarity in their chemical property as well as physical property. So because of same oxidation state, minute difference in electronic configuration, this lengthened element having a common physical as well as chemical property. They have a similarity in this physical and chemical property. Now let's start identification of name, symbol, atomic number of lengthened element. First is a lanthanum symbol La. Second is cerium 58. Symbol of cerium is Ce. Then 59 praseodymium Pr. So in a set of 3 group you have to learn lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium. Symbol La, Ce and Pr. Once again repetition, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium. The next thing, neodymium, promethium and samarium. Neodymium atomic number 60, promethium 61 and samarium Sm. So next 3 group, first was lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, then after neodymium, promethium and samarium. Samarium symbol Sm, promethium Pm and neodymium Nd. Then 63 europium. Europium at symbol Eu. Then 64 gadolinium. Name of 64 is gadolinium and symbol is Gd. Now when we take electronic configuration, then you will observe that gadolinium having a half filled f orbitals. In a electronic configuration of gadolinium, f orbital having a 7 electron. So in a set of 3 you can learn this name. Now next, terbium. Terbium atomic number 65, symbol Tb. Then dysprosium. Dysprosium symbol Dy. Then holmium. Holmium symbol Ho. Holmium symbol Ho. Then after erbium. Erbium symbol Er. Then after thulium symbol Tm. Pronunciation thulium, not thulium. Thulium symbol Tm 69. Then ytterbium. Ytterbium 70. Symbol Yb. And next is lutetium 71. So in a set of three elements, you can learn perfectly. First, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium. Repeat with me. Lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium. Then after next 3, neodymium, promethium, samarium. Neodymium, promethium, samarium. Then after europium, gadolinium, terbium. Set of 3 just you have to put in your mind. Then after dysprosium, holmium, erbium. Name of this dysprosium, holmium, erbium. And last set 3 set thulium, ytterbium and lutetium. अब इस सभी एलिमेंट्स के नेम को याद रखने के लिए थोड़ी सी ट्रिक भी है, उसका भी आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो। तो उसके लिए ट्रिक क्या है कि भाई सिर पर नदियां प्रेम की समाई, यूरोपियन का गड़गड़ तब दिल हुआ और तुम अब भी लाजवाब। इस तरह से कुछ सिंबल से आप लर्न कर सकते हो, लेकिन बेस्ट वे put in your mind by using a set of 3 elements: lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium and lutetium। चलो इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए। So name और symbol आप इजीली अपने दिमाग में सेट कर सकते हो। तो चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। नाउ सेकंड थिंग, second point of our lecture, position of lengthened elements in a periodic table. Just I will inform that entire periodic table is classified in a four group: S, P, D and F block. Now in this, Moseley was the scientist who has studied that all lengthened elements having atomic weight in between these two elements, 56 number barium and 72 hafnium. So Moseley was the scientist who has studied and proved that all lengthened element atomic weight will come in between barium 56 to hafnium 72. So is informed that all these lengthened element must be put in between these two elements. Now barium. When we take barium, then it is present in a S block element and in an alkaline earth metal. So it, according to its electronic configuration, it will come exactly below the calcium. Just आप पढ़ते हो पता होगा calcium, barium and strontium will come in a one by one in same group. So he is informed that barium has exactly same configuration or electronic configuration like calcium as well as cerium. So similarly, hafnium when we take, it has a similarly property or similarities in a zirconium Z40. So Moseley has informed us that barium must be placed between a strontium and hafnium and below the zirconium by leaving a one place. So when we study, he has put it exactly after yttrium 39, he has put all the lengthened elements. Now all lengthened elements are similar or near in a property. So all this lengthened element, all this 14 element is placed in a same group. The most important thing, all the lengthened element are placed in a same group. No separate group was given. So lengthened element is placed between a barium to hafnium, and after exactly we can give the diagram or positions in a periodic table. So you can observe here that in a second group calcium, sodium and barium and radium. So property of barium, suppose atomic weight of all these 14 lengthened element is came in between barium to hafnium. So this all 14 element must be placed in between barium and hafnium. These all are put in a same group. So this 14 element lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium and ytterbium. This all 14 elements is placed between atomic number 56 to 72. Lutetium is the last element. From here it has a completely filled f orbital. So this 14 element is placed between this 56 to 72. Similarly, actinide elements is placed in between a radium 88 to lawrencium 103. So in a periodic table, you will study that or you will observe that there is a two series are present at the bottom of periodic table. The first series in which last electron is filled in f orbital. For f orbital, these elements are lengthened elements, and similarly second series in which last electron have filled हुआ है f orbital में 5f orbital में. So these elements are known as actinide element. This lengthened as well as actinide series is placed at the bottom of periodic table. Periodic table में at the below these two series are placed. The position of this first lengthened element is between barium to hafnium. Second, in a transition element series, actinide series is placed between these two elements, 88 radium and 103 lawrencium. So this all element is placed in a same group. The most important thing, this all element is placed in a same group. So just we have a study that this all element is placed in a same group in a periodic table. So most important point once again मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, since all the lengthened element are resemble one another in many respects. Resemble का meaning हुआ they have a similarity in a physical property as well as chemical property, so they are placed in a same group. तो चलो अब पढ़ते हैं occurrence of lengthened element and importance of lengthened element. Now, Swedish chemist Gadolin was the first scientist who has discovered oxide. Now, of Ytteria. He is a given name of oxide as a Ytteria. Now, then after Ytteria, he has a breakdown in a three part. So, he is again a three different type of component: Ytterias, Erbias, and Terbias. Then, after many years, this oxide were separated, and many more oxide were discovered from this. So, it was a lutetia. Then after lutetia, A is replaced by and we gave name as a lutetium, or we can say name as a lanthanum. So very first scientist who has discovered this all element was a gadolin. So atomic number 64, gadolinium, is given name to give honor to this Swedish chemistry scientist gadolin. Now major source of lengthened element. Lengthened elements is available in the form of monazite sand. Now this monazite sand is nothing but a one type of phosphate element. It contains phosphates of thorium, cerium, neodymium and lanthanum. So phosphate of this all different type of element, but in this thorium is in large quantity, then after cerium, neodymium and lanthanum. So this phosphate of all these elements having a minute amount of all other lengthened elements. So most of the lengthened element is available or obtained from a monazite except one. One is promethium. The promethium is a radioactive element and not obtained naturally. So it is prepared artificially by a nuclear reaction. So आपको पता होना चाहिए कि मोस्ट ऑफ द लेंथेनेड एलिमेंट है वो मोनेजाइट में से मिलते हैं. मोनेजाइट है वन टाइप ऑफ सैंड, और फॉस्फेट सैंड में सपोज हमें सिलिका होती है, यह फॉस्फेट सैंड है, उसमें थोरियम है, सीरियम है, नियोडीमियम है, लैंथेनम है, मेजर पोर्शन में होते हैं, और ट्रेस पोर्शन में यानी वेरी माइन्यूट क्वांटिटी में होते हैं ऑल अदर लेंथेनेड एलिमेंट. बट उसमें से एक लेंथेनेड एलिमेंट हमें नेचर में से नहीं मिलता है, वो है प्रोमिथियम. प्रोमिथियम is prepared artificially by a nuclear reaction. So formula of monazite is LnTHPO4. LnTHPO4, thorium. Then after phosphate. Ln means lanthanum. In lanthanum, all lanthanide element 14 whatever studied except promethium we can take. Now other minerals of lanthanide element is bastenosite, and it is a carbonate of lanthanide as well as fluoride. So what is bastenosite? Bastenosite is found in a USA, and area is Madagascar. In Madagascar, in the form of fluorocarbonate, the most important fluorocarbonate, carbonate CO3 minus 2 and fluoride F minus. So lanthanide element having a plus 3 oxidation state. So all the lanthanide element is obtained from a bastenosite. Bastenosite और उसका formula क्या है? Then M plus 3 with this carbonate CO3 minus 2 and fluoride F minus. And what is M? M is any element of lanthanide element. So 20% of lanthanide element obtained from nature. It is in the form of bastenosite. So, lanthanide element available in the form of phosphate minerals, or it is available in a carbonate as well as fluoride also. Now, third most important, xenotime. Now, xenotime is YPO4. In this minute quantity, we are getting a from xenotime, minute quantity of all this mineral will be obtained. So, lanthanide element obtained from nature by maximum quantity in these three mineral. First is a monazite. Formula of monazite आपको दिमाग में सेट करना है LnTHPO4. Bastenosite formula LnCO3F. वो क्या है? Fluorocarbonate of lanthanide element. And one more xenotime. Xenotime formula YPO4. So by in these three minerals, lanthanide element are available. Now there are variety of lots of minerals available. This just you have to aware with this. Suppose bastenosite LnCO3, then beryl-iodide, then after bretholite, then after hydroxybastenosite. Hydroxybastenosite means what? It contains carbonate, then after hydroxide or fluoride, then after fluorinosite, then after लोपेराइट. लोपेराइट आपको दिमाग में रखना है. ये सभी मिनरल के नेम लर्न करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो ये इनमें से 4 मिनरल विच यू टू पुट इन योर माइंड. वन इज ए bastenosite LnCO3 because 20% of lanthanide element is available in nature in the form of bastenosite. Then second is hydroxybastenosite. आप दिमाग में रख सकते हो. लोपेराइट. Loperite is nothing but a oxide. It contains oxide of lanthanide, then after sodium, calcium, titanium, niobium oxide. It contains all these things. Then after next is monazite. Monazite is the most important mineral. You have to put in your mind monazite. It is phosphate of lanthanide as well as thorium. Then after zincosite. It is also carbonate, fluorocarbonate, but it contains lanthanide as well as calcium element. And xenotime. So xenotime you have to put in your mind. So you have to learn name and formula of this 4 mineral. First is a bastenosite LnCO3F. Then second is a hydroxybastenosite. Hydroxybastenosite is LnCO3 hydroxy and fluoride. Then third is loperite. And fourth and most important is a monazite. Fourth is monazite. And fifth is xenotime. So these 5 just you have to put in your mind. Particularly we will study occurrence and extraction of mineral from monazite or a bastenosite. So dear students, in a today lecture we have studied occurrence, extractions of lanthanide element from nature. Now this lecture you can study on my YouTube channel by name of Dr. Bhavesh Gangani, and for PDF and books of this material you can join Telegram channel also. So आज का लेक्चर यहाँ पर स्टॉप करते हैं. See you in a